May trabaho. Wala pa nga, ikaw ba? Ano, kakagraduate lang natin. Diba yung hindi lang makakahanap? Kaya, ito meron ah. Lagi bago yan ah. Ha?
The next day.
Hindi ako, be. Nakabahan ako, te. Natanggap niya tayo.
Tatay nga ata ako eh.
Tama ka ba? Saan matanggap tayo? Saan matanggap? Wala na akong pera eh. Pati ni, wala tayong panggastos.
Hindi yun ako, sakbo tayo ng tapo ko.
Malilate na kasi tayo. Anong oras ba naman na?
Sa may kaliwa, kami kayo sa tapas, tapos sinabi ko si Sir Angkor. Next!
Good morning. I may sit down.
So, Miss Ranilyn Alfonso, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is my ability to adapt into new situations quickly. I am comfortable in facing new opportunities and learning new skills, which allows me to drive into different situations. While for my weaknesses, I have a low self-confidence and I tend to easily overwhelmed and stressed when I have a numerous tasks in my to-do list.
So, how would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking and driven individual who isn't afraid in facing new challenges. I am passionate enough to my work and know how to do my job well. I am also trying to always be fair in everything I do.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself continuing to working hard and progressing in my current role. I hope to acquire all the necessary skills and experience and also develop a strong working relationship rather with my members.
What makes you unique from others?
I'm known for my strong work dedication in putting my best in everything I do. I take pride in delivering high quality results and build a reputation where my my team can rely in executing different tasks on time and accurately.
Mhm. So, thank you. My last question for you is, why do you want this job?
Do you want this job?
I want this job because it aligns perfectly with my career aspirations and personal interests in life. Also, I am eager to contribute in the company's missions and values success.
So, thank you for your cooperation. We will send you an email if you are accepted in this company. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Good morning.
Opo. So, here's my resume.
Good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you po.
So, Miss Calisa, your first question is, what is your strength and weakness?
Strength is that I have always been a leader. And through the years of my experience for being a leader, I always lead those who need to be led. And also, I am a very critical figure person and a very creative person. So, by that, or by doing that, I can perform my job properly and efficiently. So, however, my weaknesses is that I am lack of experiences. Even though we made it to the work immersion and our OJT, I think this or does not enough to build my experience through the company since I am a newly grad person.
Okay, thank you.
Next is, where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
So I see myself 5 years from now is that I have a stable job, especially here in this company. And by that, I can truly provide for my family, for my personal needs, and other things that I need to provide for myself. And I also see myself be promoted in this company after 5 years. And by that, I think in 5 years I can be a successful person and doing the job that I like, that I love, and contributing to the company to build more innovative guides and activities.
And lastly, why do you want this job?
Since I am a newly grad student or a person, I want this job because I need to earn for my family. Because earning money is what we need for ourselves to live, to enjoy, and especially love. But here in this company, we're talking about business, of course, being professional. And by doing that, I want this job because I love this job and I think I can perform well and contribute well to this company. That's all po.
Thank you.
I'm gonna contact you and let you know if you are accepted to this company. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Tanong tanggap tayo. Yeah, ayun sa interview mo. Okay lang naman, medyo nakakabalag talaga. Sa akin din naman sumito na.